So I got home today from work and I had a package on my doorstep. So I'm going to do a reveal of my package. Let's see what's in the package. I'm gonna do an unboxing. What's in the package? I'm pretty sure this came from my really good friend Shelby. We've been friends since elementary school. We did lose contact for a little while and then got reconnected. Let's see what she got me. Ooh, guys. So I got this certificate. It's from Build-A-Bear. It says, we believe in the timeless comfort of a teddy bear hug. Sharing hugs and stuffing each furry friend with love are ways of adding a little more love to life. Since 1997, millions of furry friends have been made around the world, and our Build-A-Bear have placed a special heart inside them. Sent with love from Shelby. Oh, thank you, Shelby. Here's his workshop birth certificate. Date of birth, October 7th, 2022. 16 inches tall, 13 ounces in weight. Eye color black. Fur color is Kelly green. I am so excited! Look, guys. Oogie Boogie. I love him. Thank you, Shelby. I've wanted Oogie Boogie from Build-A-Bear for the last couple of years, and he always sells out so fast. Oogie Boogie. Thank you very much. Alright, guys. So that was my unboxing. I'm very happy. He's so cute, and I love him.